Now today, ladies and gents, we just got the October delivery figures from our favorite EV stock, NIO. And as seen on the screen, in NIO for the month of October, they saw total deliveries of around 16,074. I must say this was a bit higher than my estimate, because as most of you have been watching my videos, my estimate was somewhere between 15 and 16,000 deliveries. And to get to see that NIO it's over 16,000, it is something that I think, yeah, it is not that bad. I mean, 16,000, it is the third highest figure that NIO I think has ever reported ever since their existence, because after the over 20,000 deliveries there was 19. Then comes this, of course, 16,000 or over 16,000 deliveries, which I think it is still not that bad. I think there's room of improvement. And looking at the fact that these 16,000 deliveries that NIO delivered, or over 16,000 deliveries that NIO delivered, they managed to pull this through, though of course there was a holiday. I know that, well, there are other EV companies that also did pretty good, like of course Xpeng, who saw deliveries going over 20,000, Leo who saw deliveries going over 40,000, which of course they are doing pretty good. But also looking at to NIO, ladies and gents, NIO, it is a company that, to me also, I think these deliveries or these over 16,000 deliveries are pretty good, and I don't think they're that bad. I think now in November probably we get to see, of course, the deliveries improving, especially that there are no more longer holidays, or there are no holidays this month, which will mean that NIO will have the full month to deliver the kind of vehicles that probably should have delivered now in the month of October, had it not been that, of course, Chinese national holidays. So this month I'm hoping to see, of course, good delivery figures. Hopefully we get over 20,000, which I think that will be only fair if we could see NIO achieving that. But I must say that chances are more that we'll see that coming through, because as I've been saying in my previous videos, deliveries or demand in deliveries usually get to be more towards the end of course the year, meaning that in Q4 we tend to see more deliveries coming out from some of our favorite EV stocks. So November, December, specifically December, we are to expect an all-time high when it comes to the deliveries, and I'm hoping that that of course will result into NIO delivering way more, of course, deliveries than what we have seen, or that current record which they have of over 20,000 deliveries. Now, of course, before we dig deep into this video, before we forget, I also already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. I would appreciate if you can just hit the likes button if you are enjoying the content that I'm giving you about NIO's 16,074 deliveries which they produce for the month of October. NIO, you will know that it's a company that I discuss a lot on this channel, because I believe in their fundamentals and their future prospects. So that the of course 16,074 vehicles that we saw today, 11,000 or just around 11,000 of those vehicles were of course SUVs, whereas the other 4,000 or 4,988 vehicles were of course the sedans, and that includes of course the touring also. So this, to me, I think it's good news, and I think we should get to see deliveries being boosted in the, of course, this month, looking at the fact that, like I said, NIO has got a full month to deliver or to focus on deliveries. I think we might get to see, of course, probably either a new record or NIO delivering the kind of deliveries they reported when they reported their record-breaking deliveries in July. That is the over 20,400 deliveries. We saw them delivering on that month. I think NIO, this month we might see that figure coming back once again to life, or even becoming better, because of the demand that tends to come towards the end of the year or towards the end of Q4, which is something that of course will be good. Otherwise, I'm still hopeful. I remain long and strong onto the NIO stock, though the share price of NIO has been showing some weakness in recent days. I still believe that this is a company that its fundamentals, its future prospects will propel it to flourish in the future. Someone said in the streets of Twitter yesterday to say that the fact that we are seeing NIO being aggressive in terms of deployment of the battery swapping stations does not mean that the CEO is just stupid by doing that, but it just simply means that they know, they really have a plan. And I think I also trust William Lee as that, of course, first person that tweeted that tweet who was saying that I also trust William Lee to say that I think he knows what he's doing. Let them run the show, because I believe in the future of battery swapping station technology. I believe in the future of Neo as a whole, together with their sub brands, and I think Blue Sky will come 2024 around this time. I think we'll be talking another language when we look into the Neo stock, which that probably will make those that are not taking these low trading prices that we are witnessing right now as opportunities to load more, to probably regret, because next year around this time we'll probably be seeing Neo delivering, of course, some very good delivery numbers, looking at the fact that they would have started with also selling their sub brands. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you buy Neo for the very first time, always do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock, as it can tend to be quite volatile. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.